Are you thinking about using Monday.com or ClickUp for business plan purposes? If you are, this is actually the video you first want to watch because I'll be doing a compare and contrast between Monday.com and ClickUp business plan software. So here's the synopsis I want you to pay attention to. So when you think about, first of all, Monday.com and ClickUp, they are both what's called professional services automation software. In other words, you can use them for project management, for business plan writing, for all kinds of activities, okay? And so, but there are certain things you want to pay attention to when it comes to the differences and the similarities. But so I first want to talk about ClickUp. So when you think about ClickUp, I want you to think about a tool that allows you to visualize your tasks, including business plan writing, from a single dashboard. So ClickUp is a fully customizable productivity tool designed to streamline any process, maximize your resources, and improve team collaboration. And it's actually the only software powerful enough to consolidate your work across apps in one dynamic platform with new updates released every week to better your experience. This is really cool. So we're talking here about what? We're talking about a sense of organizational hierarchy. You're able to have like 15 to 20 customizable work views. You have collaborative ClickUp docs. And you have ClickUp whiteboards, which can be really, really powerful when it comes to streamlining your business plan activity, especially when it comes to the actual writing and review part of the business plan process. Okay. And so you can use ClickUp for all like a constellation of activities. That's for ClickUp. What about Monday.com? Well, Monday.com actually, like from marketing to HR to human to logistics management, Monday.com offers a variety of versatile team management features to help teams work together and build smooth, transparent processes, including business planning. So with dashboards, multiple views, automations, and templates to support over 200 workflows, Monday is a strong contender when it comes to process management. And so when you think about Monday.com, think about a constellation of templates. And again, when we talk about business plan software here, we're speaking either about a business plan software itself or a business plan template that is integrated within either Monday or ClickUp. So when you think about Monday.com, I want you to think about the ecosystem here. So you have Monday Work Management, you have Monday Sales CRM, you have Monday Dev, you have Work Forms, you have Canvas. Okay, so Monday.com, when it comes to features, appears to be a little broader and deeper than a ClickUp. Boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. I want to talk to you about the features here. So when you think about Monday.com, there are several features that you need to pay attention to, and especially if you want to analyze business planning from a granular perspective, you have to pay attention to a few things. Let's first talk about project and task management. So let's say you have a project that revolves around writing a business plan or business planning or writing a corporate report or an investor pitch. Okay, so you are basically modeling the whole work stream into a project, and you have multiple people actually interacting within this work stream. How do you actually analyze the whole thing? Well, the thing is that if you think about project and task management, both tools, I'm talking here about Monday.com and ClickUp, they actually offer multiple features that revolve around planning, execution, and monitoring. So you have multiple views like Kanban, Gantt, list, timelines, and calendar to organize and evaluate your work in different ways. You have task relationships and dependencies to communicate the order of events in your workflow. You have custom task statuses for more exact updates on any action item. You have multiple assignees on larger tasks and the ability to break down complex action items into smaller subtasks. And you have milestones that allow you to stay on schedule and track the benchmark events in your business plan projects. So this is kind of cool. And so I want to first talk about the key ClickUp features. So you have organizational hierarchy. You have subtasks in multiple lists. This is an important element. You have actually a ClickUp whiteboards, which are really great. So those whiteboards allow you to capture the best ideas with your team during brainstorming sessions, which are quite essential if you are working on a business plan. You are able to create and collaborate on all types of workflow diagrams. You can present highly visual project plans to stakeholders with embedded process docs, web cards, tasks, and media. What about the key Monday features? So if you think about Monday.com business plan software features, you have task priorities. This is really important. You have time tracking. You have a Gantt baseline within Monday.com, which is really great. You also have so the thing with the Gantt baseline is that you have all kinds of you have a great tool for project management with a business line sort of functionality. Okay, so if you analyze ClickUp versus Monday.com in terms of features here, it really depends on what you're looking for. So there is no clear winner here. It's just a matter of the functionality your organization wants to focus on when it comes to business plan writing. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Monday.com versus ClickUp business plan software. Let me talk about workflow automation and AI, so artificial intelligence. So if you are actually working on business planning or on a business plan and you want to focus on workflow automation, let's first talk about the key ClickUp features in the realm of workflow automation and AI. So you have a ClickUp artificial intelligence, which is really sophisticated. So you're able to evaluate your writing, summarize tasks, and comment threads. You're able to translate and generate content in multiple languages. That's really cool. You also have automations. So basically you are able to take care of your consistent processes so you can focus on the work that matters the most. You also have slash commands. So ClickUp AI and workflow automations are not the only resources to help managers reach their end goals faster. You also have slash commands. Those are tools that allow you to actually create tailored shortcuts within your workspace. So this is really cool. So if you think about ClickUp key features within automation and workflow automation and AI, think about AI itself, automations, and slash commands. What about the key Monday features here? You have Monday AI Assistant. You have automations. So when you think about Monday.com AI Assistant, basically this is currently in beta though, but this is an assistant that can compose emails in Monday Sales CRM software, summarize documents, create formulas, and generate tasks. And one of Monday's key perks is its apps marketplace for external developers to build and share additional AI apps to complement the software. So this is really cool. And also the automations are really great because you will find code-free automations in Monday to handle the heavy lifting in your daily processes. Customize the triggers, conditions, and actions from columns on your board using Monday's automation builder to expedite manual tasks, including sending reminder emails to specific team members on important dates, updating owners when items are completed, and automatically changing statuses when tasks hit their due dates. So this is really important. Also, I want to talk to you about collaboration and communication. So as we analyze Monday and ClickUp business plan software, what does that have to do, or what do we have to say when it comes to collaboration and communication? First of all, I want to talk about the key ClickUp features that you can encounter if you were to go with ClickUp business plan software. You have the chat view, you have assigned and threaded comments, you have screen recording with clip. Now, this screen recording with clip is important if you want to share something with, let's say, you want to share something with a team member, and there is a business plan item that you are working on, and you need approval, you need review and approval, or a comment or feedback. And so this screen recording with clip is really cool because you are able to share your video message with a direct browser link, then requires no downloads and can be viewed instantly after recording. So this is really fantastic. And also the thread and assigned comments help you connect with members at the source. So you have the ability to comment on practically anything in ClickUp, whether you are working in docs, whiteboards, tasks, or subtasks. And you can add comments by simply highlighting a line of text or tapping directly into a comment box, then tag individual members to turn your message into an action item. And when we talk about the key Monday features here, you have the comments, you have the guests. So the thing is that when you think about the comments, you can view your comments by clicking into highlighted text or from the sidebar in Monday Word docs. And this is really cool. And you're also able to highlight text to add and assign comments in Monday Word docs. Also, you have the guests. So guests in Monday make it easier for project managers to present updates to stakeholders, connect with clients, and share insights, especially as those insights revolve around the business plan you are writing. So where members of the team have full access to every feature on your Monday plan, guests are invited to a specific board via email and have a more streamlined viewing experience, aka they only have the ability to see what you want them to do. So this is kind of cool. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Monday.com versus ClickUp business plan software. Let's talk about reporting and goal tracking. So as you are working on a business plan, you want to really sort of, you want to subdivide your time. You want to really focus on certain things. And it's important to really have having a clear idea about the capabilities that each tool allows you to really tap into. So when we talk about reporting and goal tracking with the perspective or with an orientation towards business plan writing, what are the key features that you want to pay attention to? First of all, let's talk about the key ClickUp features. Within ClickUp, you have dashboard, you have goals and OKRs, okay? And this is a really important. And so when we talk about dashboards, for instance, you can use consider ClickUp dashboards your mission control center for any project, including business plans projects. Dashboards are fully customizable and only require a simple drag and drop to create. You can choose from one of ClickUp's ready-to-use dashboards to instantly pull the most critical metrics for some of the top use cases or construct your own. You can scroll through over 50 dashboard cards for sprint, resource management, calculations, charts, and more, then stack them together like building blocks to configure the perfect source and resource for your project. And you can even embed live snapshots from other work tools and interact with them right from your dashboard, your dashboard. This is kind of cool. And also the goals and OKRs. So you are able to look at ClickUp goals. Those are trackable, by the way, though. They're flexible and they're also very smart. So this is really great. We love that a lot. And so those are for the ClickUp features. What about the key Monday features? You have dashboards, you have goal tracking, and you also have what they call the OKR management centers. And so when you think about dashboards in Monday provide database insights to drive results using the platform. So these real-time reports have the ability to create progress reports, summaries, and high-level overviews of specific projects or even across your entire organization. In terms of goal tracking, and so where ClickUp has the designated goals feature, Monday offers a goal widget for your dashboard or its goal tracker templates, which is a pre-built workflow to visualize, prioritize, and break down your goals using Monday's other features. So this is kind of important to really think about that. So you're able to track your goals using the goal widget in Monday. Okay, this is an important. But so which one should you go for? It really depends on what the kind of goals or the kind of vision you have for your team. Let's talk about app consolidation and integration. So the thing here is that it's important to really understand that those two apps that we have here, Monday.com and ClickUp, they have all kinds of synchronization prospects. Okay, and so let's first talk about the key ClickUp features here. So basically, it's you're able to connect ClickUp to over 1,000 other work tools to streamline any and all processes, but everything happens through Zapier. Okay, so it's important to really keep that in mind, and it's going to be tough to beat ClickUp on this front though when it comes to the work automation tools that it has. Okay, and it's important to really also understand that with ClickUp, you have that the focus is on efficiency and streamlined workflows. What about Monday.com? What are the key Monday features here? So first of all, Monday has integrations to all kinds of apps and software tools, but not 1,000. Monday has about 200 to 250 integrations. Okay, and the tool integrates with popular tools such as Google Workspace, Microsoft Office. You have GitHub, Slack, Zoom, and more. So while you may not be able to cut down on your must-have tools, you can at least keep most of your work within one or two browsers, two browser tabs per day. And so the tool that provides better tech consolidation here is obviously ClickUp. Okay, and it's important to understand that because ClickUp has more apps that it integrates. So by choosing ClickUp, you will increase the impact, revenue, and ROI of the tech stack while also maintaining all needed functionality, unifying workflows and reducing administrative costs, integrating with practically any other tool, upgrading to more user-friendly environments, improving organization alignments and performance. So this is really what it is. And so what about customer support here? So if you compare and contrast Monday and ClickUp business plan software, what are the customer support you need to pay attention to? So let me first talk about ClickUp. What are the key ClickUp features here when it comes to customer support? You have the ClickUp API, ClickUp University, webinars, and ClickUp template library. So basically, ClickUp actually will actually help you solve any problem or any question or anything you have through various avenues. Okay, you can also contact ClickUp on the phone, and they will take care of you. I mean, they will answer you, not a problem. What about the key Monday features here? So, like ClickUp, Monday has an extensive help center to answer virtually any question. But unlike ClickUp, support resources like instant live chat are limited to paying customers only and must be accessed through your account. And so beyond that, Monday's Help Center extends almost all other forms of support. Whether you are looking for detailed documentation, how-to videos, use case solutions, or even a community forum to connect with other users, you will find it on Monday.com, not a problem. Okay, and so Monday.com and ClickUp have seemingly similar customer support resources. You have comprehensive help center hubs, learning opportunities like live workshops, online courses, and webinars, ready to use templates for various use cases, including business plan writing, live chat with designated customer support specialists. So this is really fantastic. Let's talk about the pricing here. So when we analyze Monday.com versus ClickUp business plan software, what kind of pricing you should really expect here? I want you to look on the screen here. I'm gonna show you first the ClickUp pricing tier as of the date of this show, the tiers rather. So you can see on the screen here, you have 4 types of pricing plans. Actually, there are 5, but to consolidate, we're showing 4 here. So you have the free forever plan, you have the unlimited plan, you have the business plan / business plan, business plus plan. So you have 2 plans within the business sort of category. And then you have the enterprise plan. The enterprise plan, they don't talk about it. You have to contact them till they'll take your data before they actually quote you. And so that's for ClickUp. Let's talk about Monday.com. So you can see on the screen here, you can see the pricing for Monday.com. So you have all kinds of capabilities here. You have the free plan, the basic plan, you have the standard plan, the pro plan, and the enterprise plan. So you can see the price actually go crescendo here. So you have the standard, and the most popular in our view is the standard. Yes, that's what Monday.com also recommends. So what is the verdict here? So when it comes to business plan writing, business planning in general, which is the better tool here, Monday.com or ClickUp? It really depends on what you're looking for, okay? Because ClickUp and Monday are clear front runners in project management. But for teams prioritizing growth, collaboration, and productivity, there is only one choice, and that's ClickUp. And so you can use ClickUp whiteboards to assign tasks, tag assignees, and anything needed to kick off your next collaboration. And and it's one of those things where, I'm not saying that Monday is not a great project management tool, but it has a separate product strategy. Okay, so you don't have the same level of personalization or ease of use as ClickUp if you are trying to use Monday.com for business plan writing or business planning in general. Okay, but one thing I want to say here is that you really have to pay attention to what really matters to you in terms of your goals and functionality, your goals and requests to actually choose whether you should go for Monday.com or ClickUp. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I just did a quick compare and contrast between Monday.com and the ClickUp business plan software. So I gave you the synopsis, the features, the pricing, and the verdict. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.